Incremental Greetings. So you may have seen that in FSRS, used in Anki, it's best to use pass and fail when grading your items. So what I also start doing, not because of this reason by the way, but because now I want the wise simplification of incremental reading, something I shared in the 4-year milestone of SuperMemo, is, you know what? Most of the time, now I just press space, which defaults to number 3. And if I fail, I will just press 1. As easy as that. 1 and 3. Why? Because I don't want to spend time. Oh yeah, this deserves a 1, deserves a 2. I succeeded, but yeah, it's easy, it's 5, I can be precise, but you know that now SuperMemo with SM18, this is kind of neglected. It just weights very small percentage on the algorithm to combat the user bias. What counts if it's pass or fail? So you know what? I will not spend time on cosmetics, applying templates and so on, or amending the text of the color, stuff like this. I'm not going to spend either time with this. Yes, I may sacrifice a fine-tuned scheduling, but I prefer to go quicker and have less fatigue. And it's something I realized that some days ago. I need lots of repetitions. 400, 600, 400 something, 600, pam. The first number you see are 4 items. How I can do it? First, because of the time that I invest. Second, some repetitions are for creating more items, not repeating items to begin with. But precisely because I'm reducing those decisions to the minimum. Yes, at some degree, I'm oversimplifying this approach, but this oversimplification just loses a very small percentage. It's a very small sacrifice for a much bigger reward. An example will be an image in JPEG that, yes, it is compressed, you lose some quality, but the file size is dramatically reduced. So long story short, what you do now, show answer, is either space or 1. That's it. 2 options, pass and fail. I have been doing this for at least 4 or 5 months already. Still don't know what will be if it will make a difference, because this is long term. In a couple of years, I could update from this video, but for now, nothing more to add today. Let me know if you also do just pass and fail, or if you want to your thoughts. If you also want to, if you have done this from day 1, or you also made this change, and if you have seen any change in the stats, the performance you do have, if it's worth or whatever, it's in your mind. See you incrementally.